Welcome to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. Previously, we established the stunning signature look for your site by setting our branded colors and fonts. Now it's time to add two small but mighty visual elements that instantly give your site a professional, polished edge: your logo as well as your favicon. The logo is the centerpiece of your brand, and the favicon, that tiny icon in the browser tab, is essential for easy recognition. So let's learn how to set these up. Just a heads up, by the way, although uploading your logo is completely free, for favicons, unfortunately, you can only add them to your site if you subscribe to one of Wix's premium plans. If you subscribe, not only will you be able to add a favicon, but you'll also get a domain for your site and get access to pro features that could help your site grow. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's get started. To add your logo, go to the media button on the left. Select Upload and then Upload from Computer. Remember all the files that you needed to prepare beforehand? Well, this is the time that you're going to upload all of them so that you can access all of them, including your logo and favicon, later on when you need them. Convenient and easy for you. Now, wait for your files to be uploaded. By the way, it's ideal to have two versions of your logo, one for lighter backgrounds and one for darker backgrounds. Once your logo is uploaded, click on the logo that you'd like to use and click on Add to Page. You might need to cleanly crop it, so click on it and click on the crop button here. And you also might need to resize it, just enough to fit your header. By the way, depending on the template you selected, you might also need to rearrange some elements, just like what I'm doing here. You can also now delete the logo that came with your template because you already have your own. By the way, I think I have three columns here, and I think I only need two. So I'm going to delete the column that I don't need. By the way, arranging the elements here could involve a trial and error process, so just go ahead and arrange your elements however you want to. As you may notice, the text on my menu are white, and I'd like to change it into a darker color. So if you want to do that, you can click on it and click on Design, click on Customize Design, and select Text. And this is where you can change its color. And if you'd like to change the design of your search bar, go to the plus button here, look for Menu and Anchor, and here on the search buttons is where you can find different designs. So drag and drop your selected one onto your header, and you can delete the other one since you don't need it anymore. Just make sure that all of your elements are properly positioned. And once you're done, click on Save to save your changes. Now let's talk about how to add your favicon to your site. Doing this will make your website look professional. So first, head on to your dashboard, go to the left and look for Settings. On the search bar here, you can simply type in favicon and click this one. And over here is where you should be able to change your favicon. So if you click on this sample Wix favicon, you should have the option to change it or replace this image with your very own image or logo or favicon. And then once you do that, don't forget to click on Save to save your changes. There should be a Save button for that. And basically, that's it. With your branded colors, fonts, logo, and favicon in place, your site is starting to look cohesive and ready for your content. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.